Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install Ubuntu 24.04.4 desktop edition on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to Ubuntu official website and download it. It is ubuntu.com. Then click on download Ubuntu. Then see here we have the desktop, server and other options. In this video we are going to download and install desktop. So click on desktop, then click on download Ubuntu desktop. See here, the latest release at the time of making this video is 24.04.4 LTS version and its size is about 5.9 gigabytes. Click on download. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started, go to download. See here, its size is about 6.2 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here, I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you haven't installed VirtualBox, then search for my YouTube channel, how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Then click on New or go to Machine and select New. Both are same to create new virtual machine. Then provide the name. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on drop down and select other. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Then select the downloaded ISO image by clicking on this drop down. Select other, then go to downloads. Here I have the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS version. .4 desktop ISO image. Select it. Then select OS Linux, OS version, OS distribution Ubuntu and OS version as Ubuntu 24.04. Then specify hardware information. I am giving 4 gigabytes. Number of CP equals to virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. If you are okay with all the settings, click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings, or just select it and click on settings. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, just select virtual machine from this list and click on start, or right click and select start and start with GUI. Okay, so select, click on start. See here we have the try or install Ubuntu, Ubuntu safe graphics or test memory. So I am going to select the first one, that is try or install Ubuntu, and hit enter. Select the language and click on next. Accessibility in Ubuntu, next. Select keyboard layout language. I am going to select English US. Then click on next. Internet connection, use wide connection. Then next. Try or install Ubuntu. See here, try Ubuntu is just for testing purpose. Install Ubuntu is the permanent. So select the install Ubuntu and click on next. Type of installation, interactive or automated. I am going to select interactive installation, then click on next. Application selection, default or extended applications. I am going to select default, then click on next. Install recommended proprietary software. If you want to install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware, you have to select the checkbox. And if you want to download and install support for additional media formats, you have to select this one. It is up to you. Whatever you want, you can select and click on next. How do you want to install Ubuntu? Erase disk and install Ubuntu, or manual installation. This is a fresh installation. I am going with the default, so I am going to select this erase disk and install. Then click on next. Now create or set up user. I am going to give username as R2 schools, and this is the computer name or host name. Later also we can change it. This is the actual username. This is the user full name. Then set the password for this user. Then if you have Active Directory and want to use, select the checkbox. I don't have, so click on next. Select the time zone. You can select on the globe, or you can select from this search boxes. If you are from United States, you have to select on the globe. Okay, then click on next. See, these are the options that I have selected. If you want to modify any one of them, click on back and you can edit. It is up to you. I'm okay with all the settings, so click on install. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I'm going to pause this video. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation has been completed. Now click on restart now. Please remove the installation medium, then press enter. So, go to VirtualBox Manager. See here, optical drive is empty. If it is not empty, click on here and remove disk from the virtual drive. Then come to virtual machine and hit enter. Click on username and provide the password that you have set for this user. Welcome to Ubuntu 24.04.4 LTS version. User release notes. I don't want. Click on next. Skip for now. Click skip. I don't want to share system data. Click on next. Finish. Now open terminal. Increase the font size. Now verify the version /etc os-release. See, we have installed 24.04.4 LTS version. Control A. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update && sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of the sudo user. Hit enter. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. It is done. So, in this video, we have seen how to download and install Ubuntu 24.04.4 LTS version on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.